Today, we're diving into the EMacs GIN-6350P hot swap power supply, a robust contender in the realm of PC power solutions. With a max output of 350 watts, this unit packs quite a punch, catering to a variety of power-hungry setups. Its compatibility with personal computers makes it a versatile choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. One of the standout features of the GIN-6350P is its hot swap capability, allowing for seamless replacement or addition of power supplies without interrupting system operation. This is a game-changer for those who prioritize uptime and reliability in their computing environment. Measuring at 6 by 4 by 13 inches, the unit strikes a balance between form factor and performance, fitting snugly into most PC cases without compromising on power delivery. The AC input range of 100-240V, coupled with a frequency range of 50 to 60 Hz, ensures compatibility with a wide range of power sources worldwide. Durability is another area where the GIN-6350P shines. Constructed with quality materials and built to withstand the rigors of continuous operation, this power supply is engineered for longevity, providing peace of mind to users who demand reliability from their hardware. Whether you're a gamer pushing your system to the limits, or a professional requiring stable power for critical tasks, the EMacs GIN-6350P hot swap power supply delivers unmatched performance and reliability. It's a solid investment for anyone seeking a dependable power solution for their PC setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.